Hello everyone and welcome to this resume worded review. So in this video we're going to take a look at resume worded and how we can use this tool to improve our resumes. So the first step is to simply go to resume worded and create a free account. Now as you can see, I already uploaded my resume, and here you have on the right side your resume, and here we have the score. So we got a 23 out of 100, which is bad. Now if we scroll down, we can see that here we have what we can fix. So we can simply click on it, and here as you can see it's gonna highlight everything that needs to be fixed. And here as you can see, your resume is long and worthy for your career level. Now here you're gonna be able to choose if you're entry level, mid-level or senior level. So depending on what do you choose, you'll have here the tips. So since I choose entry level, my resume is too long, so we just have to simply improve here. We can remove some stuff, and what we can do also is magic write. So basically with the magic write we're gonna be able to improve. So as you can see, we can add different lines. So this will be an AI. So as you can see from our resume, we can pick different lines that we can improve using the AI, and we can simply click on generate suggestions, and here we'll be able to see what they suggest to add instead of that. So as you can see, we can refine. So basically that's it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.